Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, November 21st, 2024. And yes, we have rain falling throughout much of the region. We had very heavy rainfall lift through the Philadelphia metro into the New York City metro this morning. And now we're starting to get the formation of our new coastal lows is starting to take shape as this becomes the new primary low. You can literally see the wind starting to circulate from Long Island down through the Jersey Shore, going from northeast to northwest. So that puts the low somewhere around here in the observations. Looking at temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 30s over the northern interior, those temperatures are actually going to get a bit chilly as we get the development of snow by this evening. Meanwhile, along the suburbs, temperatures generally in the lower to mid 40s, mid to upper 40s as you get right onto the immediate coastline and in your urban areas with damp conditions, periods of rain around the New York City metro, drying out a little bit around the Philadelphia metro, but that won't last long. And here's why. What's happening is that this is becoming the new primary low pressure system. The old one is way up in Canada. So what's happening is that this was the initial heavy rainfall event. And what's happening now is that this new low pressure system is taking control in what we call a Miller B storm. And as this is starting to organize, this precipitation shield is going to start to expand. And you're going to see the development of more and more snow starting to show up here in the higher elevations. Meanwhile, cold air with our old upper level low is going to be catching up, and this is the surface reflection of that. You see that very nicely here in the upper level winds. This is our block. When you see this in the winter over the next 8 to 12 weeks, this is what we call a block. And when this blocks up, it forces this storm to drop towards the coastal waters. So that's why we're seeing this redevelopment. And that redevelopment shows up very nicely here at 850 millibars in a textbook example of a Miller B development. The old primary is back here, the new low pressure systems off the New Jersey coast. And as the coastal low intensifies because there's a stronger thermal gradient here, you're going to see this fade and this become stronger. And you'll know it's becoming stronger because our winds this afternoon on through tomorrow will increase to 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts at times over 30 miles per hour. So it's going to be a rather windy period of weather as well, along with the rain and snow. And while this is all taking place, you see on the water vapor satellite picture, there's our upper level low. Here's our new low pressure system developing and all that lifting moving towards us. You can see the cold air right here. You can see the new low right here. When these two interact, this low is just going to rapidly intensify this afternoon. And that's why the precipitation shield that we see here is going to expand and solidify over the New York City metro back into the interior, and then waves of rain and snow showers in the Philadelphia metro. Wait, did you hear rain and snow showers? Yes. Cold air is going to work in. On the coastal plain, we're still going to remain too warm for any snow accumulation outside of maybe a car top or maybe some bushes. But other than that, the pavement's going to remain wet because it's far too warm. But you will see snow in the air, especially tomorrow morning. So let's dive into this forecast. We'll zoom in a little bit, and there we go. So for today, our coastal low takes shape, it intensifies, the rain shield expands. It is going to be a raw, wet day and a bit snowy as you move up above 1,000 feet in elevation in the Poconos and Catskills, and then 2,000 feet is where you're going to start to see the real accumulation this afternoon. Temperatures will range from the upper 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior, mid to upper 40s in the Delaware River Valley, and upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. So basically, your cold air is cascading from the Appalachians towards the coastal plain today as our coastal low takes shape. For tonight into tomorrow, our storm intensifies, lifts up into the Hudson River Valley and Connecticut, leading to very heavy snow taking shape in the Poconos and Catskills. Rain and snow will get even into New York City. Don't be surprised to get some rain and snow showers in the Philadelphia metro as well overnight tonight. No accumulations expected. Why? at least for the coastal plain. Why? Because over the interior, your low temperatures will be in the lower to mid 30s. So cold enough, but still marginal, and mid to upper 30s along the coastal plain, which is above freezing, which is going to support basically any snow falling is going to melt. There was a question last night, a really good question on live chat. Hey, could the lifting be strong enough that it overcomes that warm boundary layer? In theory, yes, but that's going to be focused more towards, let's say, the Finger Lakes and the Eastern Great Lakes and over the Poconos and the Catskills rather than the coastal plain in this setup. So for tomorrow, our upper level low and surface low become what we call vertically stacked. You'll get waves of rain and snow showers rotating through the region. Highs tomorrow in the mid 30s over the northern interior, upper 30s to lower 40s in the Delaware River Valley, and lower to mid 40s along the coast. On Friday night into Saturday morning, the low pressure system departs with a few lingering rain and snow showers. Look for low temperatures on Saturday morning in the lower to mid 20s over the northern interior, upper 20s to mid 30s in the suburbs, and mid to upper 30s in the urban areas. On Saturday afternoon, look for broken cloud cover with a few lingering rain and snow showers around the region. Look for high temperatures ranging from the upper 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior, mid to upper 40s in the New York City metro, upper 40s to lower 50s in the Philadelphia metro. On Sunday, high pressure will be in control with tranquil conditions expected. Look for low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 30s over the northern interior, upper 30s to lower 40s in the suburbs, lower to mid 40s in the urban areas, and high temperatures rebounding into the upper 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior, mid to upper 40s in the New York City metro, and upper 40s to lower 50s in the Philadelphia metro. By Monday, high pressure will be exiting the region with increasing cloud cover, but overall still tranquil. Look for chilly conditions in the morning with lows in the mid to upper 20s over the northern interior, lower to mid 30s along the coast. High temperatures will rebound into the upper 40s to lower 50s over the northern interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast. Now on Tuesday, an area low pressure will pass to our north with a cold front, producing a few scattered showers. This is going to be an important low for us, not for direct impacts, but because this low will set up a new block right around Thanksgiving. Yeah, I'll show you why that is a concern in just a moment. So that swings on through, and by Wednesday, we have sky cloud cover. So on Tuesday, look for low temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior, mid to upper 40s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast. On Wednesday, look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 30s over the northern interior, upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the upper 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior, mid to upper 40s along the coast. So overall, not too bad for traveling. There's going to be some lake effect snow you got to keep an eye on if you're heading off to the west towards, let's say, Syracuse and Rochester. On Thanksgiving, quiet. High pressure's in control. Notice this storm starting to develop here, and this storm starting to approach from the west. So Thanksgiving is quiet. Look for low temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s and high temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s. Depending on the evolution of this block here interacting with this storm here, we may be dealing with a significant rain and snow scenario setting up here for the end of next week, right around Friday. We'll have more details as we get closer to the storm. I'll be keeping an eye on it. Most likely we'll be talking about it tomorrow and also throughout the weekend. But understand there's still a lot of volatility here, and it's something we have to watch very carefully to see what takes shape. But certainly we have moved back into a much stormier weather pattern for the northern mid Atlantic. That's your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.